Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm not a chef either. This channel is for cooking at home, and I'll show you each step. We won't be winning any prizes for presentation. These are foods for you to make at home. And if you can't, send the video to someone who can make it for you. We'll make some low-carb mushroom pizzas today. You'll need large mushrooms for this. The mushroom will be the pizza base. Cut the stalk twice and cut around the base. Not bad. Better. The third one. I won't cut around the base. Now for the pizza sauce. This is basically tinned tomatoes, blended and sieved. Tomato puree to thicken it up. A lot goes to waste in these tubes. Take a rolling pin to it. Pick up a basil plant for around 70p, or use powdered basil instead. You can use scissors, but the cuts won't be very fine. Take your time with knives as always, guys. Just be mindful of where the blade and your fingers are. We need to get the excess moisture out first. We'll use an air fryer today. This should be pepperoni. I got the wrong packet, but we'll manage. break them up a bit. That's enough. I've baked and turned these once. Now remember everyone, I'm not a chef either, but that's not bad at all. The filling will be very hot, so please be careful. Without removing the moisture first, the chopping board would be wet now. And there we are, a step-by-step guide. I hope you've enjoyed watching. And remember, if you can't make these at home, then send the video to someone who can. It's about time you had a treat. Until next time, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And keep an eye out for the next video. Goodbye everyone.